Governor Abbott today shut down all bars in the state indefinitely. He said he is targeting businesses and services that are linked to a rise of statewide positive COVID-19 cases. But as KXAN's Alex Caprariello found out, some bar owners think that characterization is unfair.
For those who do it right and sanitize and keep people safe and are passionate about following the rules and regulations, we are now being punished for this.
Both tears and rain fell after Governor Abbott ordered all bars to shutter at noon. Boarded windows followed shortly after.
It's very emotional. It's draining. It's hard. You put your entire life into something, you build something, you try to do things the right way, and you get punished. And it's unfair, and it's unconstitutional.
The president of the East 6th Street Association says it's our city that's being unfairly targeted.
You don't think Austin bars are at fault in this at all?
I don't believe it's Austin at all.
But as of Wednesday, the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission had found 17 bars violating state orders to maintain 50% capacity and 6 feet of social distancing. 4 of those were in Austin.
Governor Abbott hasn't exactly set a timeline with this latest executive order, but Bob Woody anticipates it to only last for around 2 weeks. And when people do start coming back to the bars, he said there's going to be a lot stricter guidelines that they're going to have to adhere to.
Tightening down, tightening down, tightening down.
He expects capacity limits on outdoor patios, additional staff to maintain cleanliness, and stricter guidelines to stop ordering at the bar top. In the meantime, some owners are considering cutting staff for a second time this year.
My rent still needs to get paid. My employees still have lives to live. My family still needs to eat. Where is the assistance?
Alex Caprariello, KXAN News.
And this comes on the same day White House Task Force member Dr. Deborah Birx put Austin at the top of the list of metro areas in the country with the highest positivity rates of COVID-19. That's new positive cases over the total test results. It's tough for us to verify that statement, though, because Austin Public Health does not include testing data on its dashboard of statistics. The state does track statewide positivity rates, but does not publish that data at the county level. It's up to 11.73%, and Governor Abbott is fulfilling his promise to take action if that pushes above 10%.